I feel a little better now, to be honest. I didn't think, I actually didn't know if I was gonna stream. Yeah. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to, just because it was just like an emotional day, you know? Tired? Yeah, I guess. There's just a lot going on. I have all these friggin' problems. You guys aren't any of them, though. Yeah. It's another reason why I'm like, I probably shouldn't drink too much during the stream, or else I might get sad. Talk to me when you need. Thanks, Kiara. Just a lot going on, you know? Yeah. It's Reaper business, don't worry about it. Sending the biggest hugs. Thanks, Kiara. I hope you're doing better now that you've landed. I'm sorry that YouTube was doing you dirty. That was really shitty. I saw that, but I hope it's fixed, and if not, I'll go beat them up. Yeah. Leave it to me. Oh, why'd I move like that? There.